Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. And while you're here, if you're so inclined, would you please hit that subscribe button down below and the bell notification icon? It'll help the channel with growth. The bell notification icon will let YouTube know that you're actually a human who's interested in knife content, not a bot. And then the bell notification icon will also notify you when I release new videos, like this unboxing that'll go live later this afternoon, and also help the videos get seen by more people, allegedly. I just really appreciate it if you guys have the time. But today, we are going to do a quick unboxing from BlueCreekKnives, something that just came in while I was home for lunch. This is going to be quick. Unboxing knife is going to be the Concept Bevy, which just happens to be in my pocket today. What we got here, guys, is a Divo knife with the Blue Creek Knives sticker and a Divo Mash Blue Creek Knives combo sticker. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right. So, guys, this is the unboxing of the Divo Mash version 2. I missed out on the Divo Mash version 1. Nice cloth. I like the way it comes kind of wrapped up in a plain box. I got the black and satin. So far, I love it's perfectly centered. Blade looks really good in the handle. Handle looks good. I'm glad that they kept the Divo Knives pivot. Oh yeah. Very crisp detent, guys. Nice hollow grind blade. Very sharp. I'm loving the blade. Loving the blade. Loving the deployment hole. Oh guys, this may have unseated my growler. The jimping feels great. The flick, guys, the detent on mine is dialed the fuck in. And it just feels great. I love the satin on the blade. I love the size of the knife. This is just an overview unboxing, but just to give you an idea, there's a Benchmade bug out just because I have it beside me. Just a hair larger than the Benchmade bug out. But guys, this is the Divo Mash version 2. And I'm going to upload this as soon as I get back to the office. And I just saw on BlueCreekKnives that they're getting ready to release some additional of these. I think it came in 2 finishes. I know there was a blue handle that I looked at, but I just really like this one for some reason. And I'm glad I got this one. I'm digging it. I'm going to put it in my pocket, take out what I was carrying today. We've got a video coming up on that, guys. But anyways, this is the Divo Knives Mash V2. I'm stoked to have it. I'm stoked to support Lefty. I can't wait for some of the new stuff they've got coming out. I think they're killing it. He's a good buddy. I think he's absolutely credible. I enjoy giving him my knife budget when it's available. Guys, thank you for stopping by and watching this short unboxing. Please hit the subscribe button just to help me out. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Move forward with love in your heart. Choose debate over hate. I love you all. Till we meet again. Peace.